Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the basics on how you can become a social media manager. This video is perfect for beginners. If you are watching this video right now, probably you are aspiring to be a social media manager or you are interested on the tasks that our social media managers do. So, yeah, let's start. In this video, I will share with you the following. We will define what is a social media manager and what are its tasks. We also have here the step-by-step procedure for beginners or those with no experience. And of course, I will give some tips here. If you are new to my channel, allow me to introduce myself. I am Lars and I create videos about tutorials, learning videos, food vlogs and personal vlogs. If you like those kind of contents or you want to be updated on my next videos, please click subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Social media managers are those persons in charge of representing a company across social channels as the sole voice of the brand. As a social media manager, you can be either an engager or marketer. Or in most companies or clients, you can be an engager and a marketer at the same time. Unengagers do the audience engagements on the social media channels like replying to comments, replying to direct messages and queries. An engager also create and schedule quality contents and submits analytics report of the social channels. An analytics report is important because it will help you evaluate how the social media channels you are handling performs periodically. You should always take a screenshot of the analytics before you handle the channels and the analytics after you handle the social media channels. It will help you evaluate if you being a social media manager is effective. A marketer is the one who publish contents for sale or revenue. It is more on the conversions. A marketer also handle Facebook ads, Instagram ads and other social media channels ads. He's also the one to reach out to influencers and bloggers to partner with for extra social media exposure. If applicable, a marketer is also the one handling the listings on Facebook marketplaces. Now let's proceed to the step-by-step procedure on how you can become a social media manager. First, you need to identify your niche and your target audience. It is important that you know these two when you are handling social media channels of your clients or your own because this can help you for better engagement. It would help you reach and relate to the right audience so they have the high chance to engage. Second, is build your own online community. You can practice to be a social media manager by creating and managing your own social media channels. You can start from creating your own Facebook page and Instagram account. Through this, you can explore the settings and interface of both social media channels. Grow your audience and engagements. It will serve as your instant portfolio when applying. Third, rate your service. For an entry-level position, rates can be at least $200 to $250 per month. That is good for 1 month posting on at least 3 to 4 times per week for 2 to 3 social media channels. This will also include creating content calendar, graphics or videos, responding to queries, and submitting analytics report bi-weekly. These rate and tasks are just an estimate, it will always depend on you and your client. Fourth, you can now find your clients. You can start by submitting proposals to your friends with social media pages or to someone you know that has a small business. You can also find clients from Facebook groups. There are Facebook groups out there dedicated for the related job searchers. There are also websites you can try to apply to like Upwork and onlinejobs.ph. If you're done with the step 1 to 4, the next step you should do is to create a system. What system I am talking about? It is to study and remember the flow of managing the social media channels and the onboarding of clients. You should also study and know how to use tools that you can use in managing like Buffer, Hootsuite and other tools. You should also have list down already the needs and things to know before onboarding clients and managing their social media channels. You should also know how to create a content calendar that would help you in posting contents daily. Of course, You should know the process already of doing analytics report, and it is important to have an engagement plan to effectively manage the social media channels of your clients. Here are some of the tips I want to give you. Since you're a beginner, you should take any opportunity you can get, no matter how small. It will add to your portfolio. You can also volunteer to manage the social media of a nonprofit or small businesses. If you are applying, you can also start in related entry-level position. Of course, there are many competitions out there, and some jobs doesn't name their postings as social media manager but are relative to the tasks of a social media manager. You can apply to that. Always check the job descriptions. You should also have network in person and online. Grow your networks to gain more clients. You can take an online social media marketing course if you want to level up your knowledge. You may also do your own research about the social media management tools. You can also take graphics courses to add in your skills. There are so many ways to learn. You can watch free videos like this in YouTube. I hope all of these can help you start your dream career as a social media manager, and best of luck to your journey. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. You can also find me at my Facebook page and Instagram. For collabs and promotions, you can email me at the email written here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again on my next video.